Autodesk understands the struggles faced by civil infrastructure professionals when collaborating across multiple teams and locations. Keeping track of projects can be needlessly complicated, with time developing new workflows to find data and saved folders. And when it comes time for project handover, the process can be slow and can result in errors and data friction. That's why Autodesk created Collaboration for Civil 3D for BIM 360 Design. BIM 360 Design is a cloud-based solution that integrates seamlessly with Civil 3D and is designed specifically for Civil 3D collaboration workflows. BIM 360 Design is project-focused, providing a clear way to organize, navigate, and view multiple projects. BIM 360 Design also helps reduce time spent communicating, making decisions, and developing workflows by sharing the most up-to-date project information across multiple locations and disciplines. Let's look at an example of how BIM 360 Design improves workflow collaboration within Civil 3D. First, a surveyor publishes a surface data reference to BIM 360 Design. A roadway designer creates a new drawing and references the surface. The designer then creates a corridor and targets the surface before publishing the corridor data reference to BIM 360 Design. Next, an engineering technician references the surface and corridor, creates sections, and saves the drawing to BIM 360 Design. Finally, the project manager reviews the section sheets in BIM 360 Design, creates markups using revision clouds and comments, and assigns the issue to the technician. Once markups are complete, members of the team are notified and the appropriate changes can be made, completing the review cycle. With Autodesk Collaboration for Civil 3D for BIM 360 Design, users can streamline workflows, share data easily and securely, and get more out of the software they already love.